Okay, so today let's discuss some array questions that are frequently asked in interviews of Node.js or JavaScript. So let's begin with finding the largest number in an array. Let's create a function. Find largest, and this will be accepting an array. And what we'll do is we'll simply return math.max for this one, and we will pass this each element of the array by spreading them. Okay, and here let's console the return of this function, and let's pass few elements over there. And let's run this. Okay, I'm in a wrong path. So you will find the largest one is here. Okay, let's discuss the second largest number in an array. If I have to find the second largest in an array, what I'll have to do. Okay, let's comment this out. And let's create another function. And I'll pass this function as well here. And this will also accept an array. And now how we will find the second largest? For that we will have to sort it. Let's say sorted equal to array dot sort. And how we will be sorting? Let's actually return this here. Okay, and now we will be returning index 1. So by this means of sort, we are sorting in a kind of decreasing order. So the first element will be the largest one, after that will be the second largest. Let's actually make this const, we don't want to change it. So for this numbers, the second highest number is 62. So I hope this will print 62. Yeah, there we go. Okay, okay, let's move to the next question. And now let's say we have to remove duplicates from an array. And how we will be doing that? function. For the remove duplicate, we will be passing still array, and what we will do is return, we need to return an array, okay, and we will be creating a new set from that array. So what set does is actually it creates unique elements out of whatever elements we pass, and it will be spread inside an array, and this will return after removing the duplicates. Let's say I'm putting 3 here, so I will not be getting 2 times 3 here. Let's try to run this. Okay. Yeah, you can see there is no duplicate 3 here. Okay, let's move to next question. So what if we have to merge two sorted array? Let's say we have two sorted arrays and we need to merge them. How can we do that? So for example, let's create a function for that. Let's say merge this, and this will be taking two arrays, array 1 and array 2. What we will be returning, we have to merge two arrays, right? So what we can simply do is concat. We will simply concat these. So we got two arrays concatenated, and we need to sort them as well. So we can put sort function here in the same order what we did previously. This time we are sorting in increasing order. This is not decreasing order, this is increasing order. And this is the first array. Let me pass another array. Okay, let's see now. So we can see all the elements are sorted order and in a single array. Those two arrays are merged now. Let's move to the next question. Now we have to rotate an array. Let's create a function here. We will be getting an array, and how many times we have to rotate it, we will get the k value. And what we will do is, we will, let's say we need to do this mod. This needs to be added because it will handle the case where k can be greater than array dot length. So in that case we will have to mod so that we will be not, because if the length will be greater, there will be no point, it will be still a it will be still the same. So we need to pick the mod value. And for the return, what we will be doing is we can do a slice and we can do concat, and we can do is -k. And we can pass rotate array and array, let's say it is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and we want to rotate it 2 times. Okay, why it is returning undefined? Did I made mistake anywhere? Let me check quickly. Array dot length, and if we will be slicing it, it will be taking k, and concat. If we are slicing here, okay, array dot concat, this seems to be correct. Let's try to run it again. Okay, undefined into, okay, here I did the mistake. I didn't call that function with parameters here, so it was printing 2 only and undefined. Now you can see it is being rotated by 2 times. Okay, let's move to another question. And the next question is, how can we check two arrays are equal? So let's create a function. Array equal, and this will be taking array 1 and array 2, and let's check actually if array 1 dot length is not equal to array dot 2 length. If length is not equal, just return false, because if length is not equal, how can we say arrays can be equal? And let's loop. I'm taking array 1 dot length because at this point we know both arrays have same length. And again we will check it is not equal to 2 of I, we can simply return false. And otherwise we will return true if all get passed. Okay, and let's test this out. We will be passing 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let's test this if this is equal. Yeah, that is true. And what if I change it to something else, and now it returns false? Okay, let's move to another question. And this would be the last question for this video. So how do we find all pairs in an array that sum to a specific value? So basically there would be given an array of integers and a target sum. So we need to write a function that finds all pairs of numbers in the array that add up to the target sum, and each pair should be unique, and the order of numbers in the pairs does not matter. So let's write a function for that, and this will find pair. This will be taking one array only, and there will be a target value which would be the sum. So we need to return array because we need to return the pairs, and let's took a variable. It will be a new set that would be consisting unique values, and let's loop through it. Let num of array. Okay, and let's find the complement, and this would be target minus num. If scene has complement, so that we got the pair, and in that case what we will do is we can simply result dot push, and we will push those pairs to our array. This would be the complement. Okay, this will be not num, still this will be num only. And in case of scene dot add, we will be adding that to scene, and after that we will simply return the result. Okay, let's test this function. Find pair, and let's pass few numbers. Again I did mistake, pass like this way, and there is complement 10. Okay, 2 comma 4 comma 3, let's say 5, and we can put 7, we can 8, and also 9. So we need to find that will be summing to 10. Okay, so let's test this out. Okay, 7 and 3 sums to 10, 8 and 2 that sums to 10, so this is working fine. Okay, I think we are done for the video, and please like the video if we want similar kind of content. And this is not recommended to use these methods in interviews because they generally don't want to use these methods like sort functions and slice and concat, so you will have to do manual through looping, so keep that in mind. Yeah, thanks.